Hey you guys, welcome back for another video. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. So today's video that I have for everyone is a weeding of my garden. It's pretty bad and it needs to get done. Both of my gardens. I'm taking it day by day, so I don't even know by the time this video goes up if I even finish weeding the garden. I take the time that I can get into weeding it, you know, with summer being here, kids being out of school and stuff like that. I do start some more seedlings and I have to plant out some more flowers and herbs, and like I said, I don't know if I'm going to get to everything in this video, and hopefully I can give you guys a garden tour. I'm not gonna hold my breath on it, but hopefully we can get a lot done and you guys enjoy today's video. So let's get into an overview of what I've already started a few days ago and then jump right into weeding my bigger garden. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I've been at it for an hour, something like that, and I gotta get dinner going. I'm cooking, also I'm cooking bread and stuff like that. I gotta empty out the pail because it's full of weeds, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like so far. All right, you guys, so I did the tomatoes and the green beans already, like I showed you earlier. So nice looking. More green beans. I thought these were bush lake, but these might be the harvesters, and then these were the, or these are the contenders. One of these is the pole bean, obviously back there that I did. But this new row right here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, I think those are not the bush lake. These for sure are bush lake. I just don't remember exactly if these were bush lake or the other bushing kind that I do have. But I got my marigold showing again. Behind that, falling over, gonna fix that real quick, is, I can't remember if this was a snapdragon or a zinnia. And then that as well. I got my carrots, only like 2 or 3 carrots over here, but I will take it. I've never grown them, so I will take what I can get. And then here is my cabbage, all finally exposed. You can see it. And then my sunflower, and then back there is a Brussels sprout. Oh wait, no, I got that one cabbage right there that I gotta get to. That's okay. I'm hoping it doesn't end up raining and I can come out and at least finish to that marigold right there. And then that's basically almost the halfway mark, and that's also where my cabbage is. So, oh, and you guys, you know how I kept telling you I couldn't figure out if it was butternut squash or if it was zucchini? Come to find out, it's butternut squash that's vining in my garden. And I wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like. So this is zucchini, green zucchini on here. I have that one growing, that one down there growing, and a couple more coming in. But this is my butternut squash. There's technically 2 here. Where is that? Where is he? Where is he? Right here. Right there. One right there, and then I have another like 2 or 3, because these 3 came up out of nowhere when I planted this in the ground, so I'm guessing these didn't germinate at the same time as this longer one did. I know I have another one somewhere. Hold on. This is a radish and I'm letting go to seed. It's huge. Look at that thing. But I'm letting it go to seed. Where is it? One right there that's starting to come in. I know I have another one somewhere. And then I also have this one right here growing, and that one growing. And then I have 2 in there growing, and I might pull those 2 up and plant more cantaloupe, mango, melon. I'm thinking. I already started some of the seeds, so I'll show you guys really quickly.
I know what to do.
So I did 4 of these cantaloupe, 4 of the mango melon, a whole tray of sweet peppers, and a whole tray of Blue Lake 156. The other ones I planted were Blue Lake 256, I think. I'm not sure what the difference is, but hey, I'll take it. Alright, you guys, we are now on day 2 for you, but I think it's like 4 for me. Don't mind my hair. Yes, it's a mess. Everything's a mess. Everything is a mess. So I wanted to show you where we left off and to continue working. I do have an umbrella up because it is so hot and all of that. Plus I don't want my phone to overheat while I am weeding the garden. I emptied the bucket out.
I woke up in a king-size bed, tick of a clock, a stranger to my left. The neighbors gave me a side eye, like I was blind. Oh yeah. 9 to 5 was my dad's advice. Don't think twice, I want the luxury life. My beauty can lose it, I'll use it. I'll take what I want. Oh yeah. A whole lot of tickets, but not enough time. A whole lot of work for a trophy wife like me. Oh. Slow traffic caused me a stress. Show no panic, I'm just born in a dress. And I know now I'm older, I'm done. I'll do what I want. I'll do what I want. Spending a Sunday at the gym, trying to fit in. Counting the days until I meet my future husband. I try to be kind to myself. I said, girl, you got this. A whole lot of ticking, not enough time. A whole lot of sweat, trophy wife. The clock keeps ticking, still running out of time. It's a whole lot of ticking, not enough time. A whole lot of work for this trophy.
Okay, you guys, it's getting full again, and I am almost halfway there. So let's keep going. All right, you guys, calling it quits. Matt helped me out with doing the walkway area, so I'm very appreciative of that. Came home from work and helped me with that, so a little surprise for me. This is as far as we got. I made it over to broccoli, and now we're getting into like peppers and other tomatoes and types of green beans and butternut squash and Brussels sprouts and stuff like that. But it just looks so much better when it's all cleaned up, doesn't it? I think so. And you come over and you see this. So this is basically like a before and after. Can't really tell where things are and stuff, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna go and have some dinner. All right, you guys, it has been, I think, 2 or 1 day of me weeding the first garden, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. It looks so nice and neat. You can see everything. I do have to go in and prune a couple things, but that is not a big deal at all. But I want to show you guys what it looks like, so that way we can start on the other smaller garden. All right, now that you've seen how good that one looks, I'm going to show you guys how this one's looking. It's looking way worse than the other one because I weeded that one more than where my watermelons and spaghetti squashes and more butternut squash and pumpkins. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. It's pretty bad. These are my blueberry bushes. You can't even like see the blueberries. Let's go to the other side. But look, see my blueberries? Gotta pick those soon. But anyways, this way. It is literally like up to my knees. So bad in here. So bad. Got my wheelbarrow over there, my bucket, my table for my phone so I can listen to my True Crime podcast as I'm doing it. And yeah, let's get into it.